Plastics. Can you list out the plastic materials present in your home? Let me help you. Water bottles, chairs, buckets, mugs, dustbin, and many other are made from plastic. But the real question is, what is plastic? Dear students, plastic is a polymer-like synthetic fiber. A polymer is a large molecule having many repeating chemical units. In plastic, these units may join in linear fashion or grid, that is, cross-link fashion. By application of heat and pressure, it is possible to form any shape from plastic. And thus, plastic is easily moldable. This is the reason why we find variety of articles of different shapes and sizes. It is easy to color plastic, roll into sheets, make wires. Polythene is popular plastic used to make plastic bags. It is possible to reuse plastic. Reuse means we can use the same article for different purposes. For example, plastic bottles can be reused to grow plants. It is possible to recycle plastic. Recycling of plastic is a process that uses old plastic articles to make new materials with heat and pressure treatment. It is an efficient method of waste disposal. There are two types of plastic, thermoplastic and thermosetting. On heating, if plastic changes its shape, that is, gets deformed, then such plastic is called thermoplastic. Polythene and PVC are thermoplastic. These are used to produce toys, combs, and various types of containers. There are another type of plastic which once molded never changed their shape by heating. These are called thermosetting plastics. Bakelite and melamine are some of such plastics. Since bakelite is poor conductor of electricity, it is used to make electrical switches, handles of cookers, and other utensils. Melamine have ability to resist fire and it can tolerate higher heat than other plastics. With this property, it is used to make floor tiles, kitchenwares, and fabrics that resist fire. Useful properties of plastics. In our day-to-day life, plastics play a very important role. We can store food items, water, dry fruits with plastic articles. In this video, we are going to learn about properties of plastics that make it suitable for variety of purposes. The very first is, plastic is non-reactive. Iron, if exposed to moisture and air, undergo rusting. It is because iron reacts with water and air. Have you ever heard plastic bottles getting corroded? No. Why? Because plastic is non-reactive. This is the reason why these are used to store various kind of materials, including many chemicals. Next property that we are going to talk about is plastic is light, strong, and durable. In past decades, we were using articles made of iron and steel. However, today plastics replace their use in our lives. Why? Because plastic is far much lighter than metals. I would not say it is much stronger than metals, but sufficient for our use. Furthermore, as plastic is non-reactive, plastic articles have longer duration. These can be molded into different forms. Next property is plastics are poor conductors. As plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity, these are used as coverings to electrical wires, handles of screwdrivers, handles of pans, and cookers. It is also used for heat-resistant dresses.